Alright everyone, before I come into shot, I've got a small confession to make. I went on a shopping spree. And that's item number 1. Are you ready to see what's inside? Are you ready to see what's inside? I don't think you are. Kablam! Now, let's bring this closer into frame for you. You can kind of see how fly it is. Let's get it into focus there. The zips don't look gold, but they are gold. Yep, it's a leather jacket. Open it up a little bit. Here we find the tag. And there are more coats, by the way. This isn't the only one. Alright, so as you can see, the coat looks pretty fly. Let's turn around here. All this leather action. Get lower. There's a hood. It is a hooded leather jacket. There's a hood there. It's pretty fly. Let's see if we can zip it up. Clearly it zips. Pretty fancy coat.